Hello everyone, you are welcome to another exciting session on technology for educators, proudly brought to you by Edugreat Technology Solutions. Are you tired of struggling to turn your Excel sheet into clean, professional PDF files, especially when you only want a specific page? Whether it's a student's course sheet, a lesson plan, or a team report, today, I'm going to show you how to convert any Excel file into a custom PDF page right from your smartphone. No laptop needed, no complicated software, just your phone and a few simple taps. My name is Engineer Wahab Kabir, and in this tutorial, you will discover a quick, smart way to create shareable PDF documents for school, admin, or personal use. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Subscribe to this channel for more educator-friendly tech tutorials. Tap like if this is already sounding useful. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and share this video with fellow teachers and school administrators. Alright, let's dive in. Many teachers forward their Excel sheets through WhatsApp or email, but here is what usually happens. Formatting gets distorted, data can be edited or changed, multiple sheets can confuse the recipients, not every phone opens Excel properly. So, while it may seem easier, sharing Excel files directly can lead to errors, miscommunication, or even data loss. That is why PDF is better. It protects your layout, makes your file readable across all devices, and locks in your formatting. In this tutorial, I will guide you through two methods to convert your Excel to a PDF file with your phone. The first method is direct conversion from Excel to PDF. The second method is through the print options. Let's get started with direct conversion. Click on the tools, and select your file. This is file, and go to export to PDF. You can see you can convert your Excel to PDF from here. This one you can preview the reading here. The preview window is only showing for the first 5 pages. It's showing the first 5 pages. That's so that it will show all the pages that are in this file. Let's export it to PDF and see the results. Let me select my phone. So let's use this Edugreat Academy 2 and export to PDF. So on my phone, export to PDF. Fill it. Let's fill the. You can see now. This is the PDF. It has how many pages? This is 73 pages. You can see it has 73 pages. This 73 pages. That's the effect of the first method. If you convert the PDF, your Excel to PDF directly, these are the effects. These are the problem. The number one problem are all the pages or sheets, even the one you don't want to get included. You often get blank pages. You can see these are the blank pages. You get blank pages and broken tables as well. The file becomes too large and hard to read. You can see we need just only one page. This is the report sheet page that we need, and we are getting 72 pages. You lose control over what gets printed and how it looks. So solution is the what? Is to use the print option. What you get by using print option is this. what page or sheet gets converted, page size and orientation, margins and layout. Now let's use the print option now. The print option. Now this is our report sheet page again. Go to tools, select your tools. Now go to print. Go to print, select print. You can see this is page setup. We also have a preview. This is preview. This is a preview page of what you want to print out. It's only one page, not 72 pages. Print setup. Print setup. So you can see. So print, select print, select print. You now select system print surface. Select this first option. You can see this. This is your page. It's on A4. This is ISO A4. This one copy. Now select PDF. Save as PDF. Select this icon. Now, where do you want to select? Say what the let's give it a name. Let's say it's 3. It's 3. The Great Academy 3. Academy 3. Save. You have already saved it. Let's go and check our PDF conversion on our file folder. This is our file. Documents. Select your documents. Select your documents. You can see you have gotten your clean PDF format on just only one page. So that's how to convert it to PDF directly. And that is how easy it is to convert any Excel file into a specific page directly from your smartphone. This is perfect for sharing clean results, preparing admin records, creating professional documents for parents, heads, or boards. Remember, avoid sending messy, editable Excel files. Use print to PDF for better clarity, control, and confidence. Now that you have seen how to work smarter with your Excel files, imagine applying that same simplicity to your entire school operations, from report cards to payroll, with just one powerful tool. Are you tired of managing your school the hard way? With Edugreat Excel templates, everything gets easier. Report cards, school fees collection manager, attendance register, payroll, and more. No internet needed. No tech skills required. Just 5,000 naira per template. One time payment. Save time. Stay organized. Run your school like a pro. Call now. 070-655-73705. Edugreat Technology Solutions, making school management simple. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe for more smart tech tips. Hit like to support this content. Drop a comment if you want tutorials on Word, Excel, Canva, or Classroom tools. And don't forget to share this with other teachers in your network. I'm Engineer Wahab Kabir from Edugreat Technology Solutions. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.